Hello guys, welcome to today's market analysis. So what happened today was we opened flat and entirely not much of there was a dip, and then last 1 hour was heavy buying, right? Why do I say heavy buying? But because look at the volumes, look at this firm green candle, and look at the volumes of the last two candles. So we had good buying in the last 15 minutes or something. This makes the day's candle a doji again, right? What we told yesterday was also a kind of a shooting star doji, but we needed a confirmation, which was today, and it didn't give us confusion. It didn't give us a confirmation. In fact, it gave us more confusion. But because this is not some clear candle, this is again one more doji, right? But however, in this particular doji, the lower wick is more, right? Because the buyers have pushed the price up more. You saw in the last 15 minutes of candle. So I have, even though it's intention, I have very slight bullish bias. So if you see the entire week, right, we didn't move much. Okay. We were stuck between this 18,400 and 18,650 range. So all these non-directional option sellers who directly do those, strangle strategies, they would have profited a lot. However, one thing is that whenever markets go in a compressed range, they have this habit of spiking up either up or down. Like you see, now that I've marked this range, any movement on either side will be wild. Because for so many days it was compressed in this range. When it explodes on the range, it will be wild. Now, what adds to this information is that, if I'm not wrong, on 8th June, which is our expiry, we have the RBI interest rate decision, right? We we don't know if it's an event or a non-event with respect to stock market. My prediction or my guess is that that could cause a wild break even on one of these sides. Wild breakout on one of these sides, right? So let's see what happens. For as of now, slight bullish bias. My positions, they are doing fine. I have not changed the positions. I get my 1% of the week easily. So, and I'm happy with my 1%, no greed. Get the 1% a week and be very happy, right? And as I told you, watch out for the RBI meet on 8 June on expiry, and do not carry some heavy positions because, as I told you, there is high possibility of breakout from either side, right? And what the big guys do, again, this is, I would say, slightly bullish. The ratio is 1:1, and generally puts are more than calls. And given the ratios 1:1, not much change compared to yesterday, so the bullish bias remains. However, yeah, today the activity was slightly bearish, but overall we saw the bullish system. This worries me a bit. Index OI is some 1,500 crore, and we are back in the negative region of minus 10K. I don't know why this I mean, even FIs are confused, right? One day they are negative, the next day they are positive, now they are again negative. So I feel some big movement is going to come because even they themselves are confused. Look at the past 5 days, right? From plus 10K, we are here at minus 10K. And in between, we saw a lot of variation or fluctuation by FIs themselves. So we'll see what happens. And if you look at open interest, lot of confusion all over the place. However, the last 1 hour, last 2 hours provides you a more clear picture. I mean, this is supported by what happened in the chart, right? We had like a good buying momentum in the last 15 minutes and last 1 hour types, and that caused a lot of calls to be unwound. So option change again, it's kind of mixed, but I have bullish bias. PGR 0.84, slightly neutral to bullish, and FII, I mean, future OI change, or the price didn't change much, so I don't think any significant build-up or unwinding of that has happened. Global markets, it's indicating a tiny inch gap up. Other people mostly flat, except for Shanghai, which is down by some minus 1%. I'm not sure why it's down by 1%. Yesterday, Nikkei was down 2% if I'm not wrong, right? Okay. So I mean, this is what matters, right? We are no big movement on the global markets. We are slightly positive. So I would say maintain the positive bias. Uh, 8th June, so I don't want to make any crazy prediction. However, my gut feeling says it is 18,450, right? We will not break that mostly. So we have faced multiple rejections here. What? One, two, three, almost three rejections have been faced. And whenever you are seeing some downtrending move, right, there is always follow-up buying. I think focus on this candle. There's follow-up buying. Focus here. There's follow-up buying. focus on today's candle. There was a lot of follow-up buying at the end. So it's like the buyers are not letting the price to come down as such, hence the bullish bias. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst, so trade with caution. And this is not tips; it's only for education purposes. And take care and have a nice night.